Hello, fellow Chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist. And today, we had a pretty boring day. Today, I stayed in cash position, so I didn't make any money. Didn't lose any money, but, you know, a cash position is still position, as many people say. Reason being, I didn't see an opportunity. If you watched my video yesterday, I explained what I wanted you guys to watch for. I wanted to see a bounce off of the 5-day moving average, which is our support, or if we actually get the breakout, okay, above this level, to bet to the upside to my next price target of 474 to 475. Well, neither of those scenarios happened, so because of that, I had to sit on my hand, okay? But it's okay. I have good news. The good news is we have a trading setup. So the question for today, before I tell you the trading setup, the question for today is, are we basing for another leg up, you know, chopping sideways, building strength for another leg up? Or are we running out of steam? Is the SPY running out of steam, okay? Because look at this big green move, okay? If this was Elliott wave, this would be wave 1, wave 2. And remember, wave 3 would be the longest wave. Don't see wave 4 happening yet. Remember, wave 4 is an ABC to the downside, and the 5th wave will boom, pushes up to new all-time high, okay? So obviously we did not get that 4th wave. You guys like Elliott wave? We didn't get the 4th wave just yet. But here's the trade setup that I see. Now, if you watch previous videos of mine, you should be familiar with the inside day candle, okay? I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it, but those who are not, I'm just going to explain it real quick. All right, let me put that to white. I'm gonna put it to green instead. Put it to green. Yeah, green. Okay, so this green candle line and this green line, that represents the high and the low of the mother candle. This would be the mother candle. The reason is the mother candle is because this is the child candle. The child candle trades within the range of the mother candle. So what we have here is an inside day candle setup. Okay, now if you don't know what it is and you want to learn more in depth, please Google it or check out some other YouTube videos, okay? There's a lot of videos out there that explains it very well and probably will explain it better than me. But the idea is you want to wait for either the high or the low to get broken, okay? So if you see SPY breaking the high of the mother candle, which is at 470.6, we bet to the upside. And that, mind you, it has to close above it, okay? Be careful, because you could get some false breakouts and some false breakdowns, okay? I like Webull because with Webull you can trade 15 minutes after market closes, okay? Just keep that in mind. You can buy options after market, 15 minutes after market close. So what we want to watch for tomorrow is what SPY will do. Will it break the high of the mother candle or will it break the low of the mother candle? If it breaks, the low is 467. All right, that's probably going to be tomorrow's support. Keep in mind. But if we close below 467, there's a high chance that SPY will continue to go down. Okay, that's how you trade inside candles. If it breaks the high, you want to be biased to the upside. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. The way you trade an inside candle, if it breaks the high of the mother candle, you want to bet to the upside. If it breaks the low of the mother candle, you want to bet to the downside. Okay, Remember, we are not perma bulls, we're not perma bears, and we're not going to make assumptions, okay, trying to act like we can see the future. No one can see the future. We are price action traders, meaning we let the price action guide us. We have to wait for certain scenarios to happen. Like today, the scenario I was looking for was a breakout above 470 or a retest of support before entering. Obviously, we got neither of that, okay? And when I mean by breakout 470, I was looking at the 1 hour chart. I was looking at the 1 hour chart. And right here, I know it's a lot of stuff going on. Let me move the moving average. So you see the bull flag, guys? It's bull flag right here. So it's flagging still. And what I wanted to see was the breakout above that flag. And we never got the breakout above the flag, so we can head to my next price target of 472 and then 475. Okay, those are my next price target, 472 and then 475 if we get the break out of this bull flag. Okay, you guys can check the 1 hour chart, okay, for SPY, and that's what I'm using to watch. Okay, now let's go back to the daily chart because daily chart is more powerful. It shows us the bigger picture. Okay, so that's my plan for tomorrow. I will be treating this as an inside day candle trade setup. I'm gonna say one more time. If it breaks the high of the mother candle, 470.6, I'm bet to the upside. If it breaks the low of the mother candle, 467, I'm bet to the downside. Okay, guys? And of course, you know, we can also look for buying opportunity off the 5-day moving average. Okay, you want to watch if we get a bounce there. Okay, mind you, this is a bull market, so if you're gonna bet to the downside, make sure you guys take profit quick. I know it's complicating, but this is trading, guys. That's why 95% of traders lose. This is not for the faint of heart. This is not for the people that are not comfortable with being uncomfortable or can't think on their feet or have emotional intelligence. Okay, I'm sorry to tell you, trading is hard. But that's the setup. Inside day candle setup. We'll keep it that simple. Okay, I don't want to give you guys too much information. So look up the inside day candle trade, how to trade that setup. Okay, that's pretty much how I told you. I'm going to say it one more time. I apologize if I'm sounding repetitive. I just want to make sure you guys get it. The high of the mother candle gets broken, bet to the upside. The low of the mother candle gets broken, bet to the downside. Okay? That's all I got for today. All right, I hope that helped. But guess what? Triple Q also have the same setup. Now, we had two closes above the breakout level. Okay, now today I told my Discord members that you got to watch for that breakout level around 398.5, around there. And if we break below that, which we did, that will equate to a false breakout. So right now we have a false breakout scenario. Okay, guys? So let's see tomorrow if we can recapture that. If we recapture that, that's pretty bearish. If not, it looks like we can head down to our next support level here at 395. Keep in mind, this is also an inside day candle, so you can choose to trade that setup. Okay? And the high and the low. So the high of the mother candle is 401, and the low of the mother candle is at 397. All right, Triple Q breaks 397, bet to the downside to our next support level. If Triple Q breaks the high of the mother candle, bet to the upside to the upper Bollinger Band or our next price target, which is up here at 404. Okay, guys, I was hoping we Triple Q could stay above 398.5. You know, and we didn't get this false breakdown scenario here. It would have kept my 404 price target in play, but right now it's looking pretty bearish. Okay, so watch if we break the mother candles low and definitely try to take profit. Also, you can move your stop loss down or up, whatever, to make sure if you get stopped out, you get out in profits. Okay, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do with Triple Q. SPY and Triple Q both have inside day candle setup. After you watch my video, don't do it yet. After you watch my video, please go and look up the inside day candle and how to trade that. Okay, guys. Moving on to ARKK. ARKK over here still chopping sideways. It hasn't broke down from the breakout level. Yeah, if it breaks down from the breakout, level, that's very bearish, and I will bet to the downside. Okay, but right now it looks like it's just still consolidating, still building strength. Let's see if it'll hit our next price target of 126. And then 132. But if not, you know, you continue to watch it. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, cash position is position. Sometimes these, you know, these stocks and ETFs and whatever, they just do stuff like this, and it is what it is. We gotta stay. Sometimes you gotta be patient. Okay, if you guys got pets, spend time with your pets. Spend time with your kids. I don't know what you got going on, but I don't want you guys to get in a position and take a trade that there's nothing there. Right now, there's nothing here for for ARKK just yet. Okay, now let's see. If we do take a closer look, we also have an inside day candle. Okay, so inside day candle setup seemed to be the theme for today's video. All right, but that's what's there. I'm just reporting it. No, don't need to hate on me. I'm just a messenger. So the high of the mother candle is 124.5, almost 0.6, and the low is 120.9. Of course, just like Triple Q and SPY, wait for one of these levels to get broken. If ARKK breaks 124, what was that? 124.5, bet to the upside. If it breaks 120.9, bet to the downside, okay? All right, guys. Now here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin, unlike the other ones, Bitcoin is making a move to the upside, okay? I actually shared this in the community tab, definitely sometime, if you guys will subscribe to me, definitely check out the community tab sometime. I will post some technical analysis for you guys, some extra stuff. I got 3 likes on it. I'm not sure if only 3 people seen it or if more people seen it, but either way, I put it out there. Triangle pattern, the daily chart for Bitcoin. 63K is the breakout level. Bitcoin above 63K, put 67K in play, then 71K. As you can see, we haven't actually hit 67K yet. The high we got was 66.5, which we're almost there. And it looks like we're working our way there right now. The reason why I say 67K is because it was the high of the previous high right here. Okay? So let's see if we can break 67K. And if we break 67K, it will most likely finally hit my price target of 71K. All right, guys. So that's all I got for today. I know it's not a lot. I'm going to keep it short and simple. Hopefully it's simple. And hopefully we get some move for tomorrow. If not, stay patient. Don't try to take a trade. Don't force a trade. All right. Wait for the scenario to play out. And definitely look up the inside day candle. If you don't know what that is, if you already know, cool. Definitely watch the charts for tomorrow. If you don't know, please Google, YouTube. Definitely invest in that knowledge. It's a great trade setup and pretty big. It's pretty successful. Okay, that's for me. I've used it been pretty successful in the past. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all soon.